Rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will study English of class 3 and today we will do the conversation exercise. Take out your vision box and open up page number 25. Exercise B. Write and ask. What we have to do in this exercise, there are sentences and there are pictures. So we have to complete the sentences by observing the picture. We have to write down the names and then we have to complete the sentence. Number 1. For example, Amna, do you have a pen? For example, if we have to borrow anything from anyone. For example, I want to borrow a pen from my friend. So I would say, Amna, do you have a pen? So what would she reply? Yes, I have. Yes, I have. Number 2. Look at the picture. This is the picture of a newspaper. Bushra, do you have a newspaper? Yes, I have. Number 3. Hamza, do you play football? You have to write down football as well. Hamza, do you play football? Yes, I do. And you can also write, Hamza, do you have a football? So the answer will be, yes, I have. Number 4. Dash, do dash, have to dash. There are 2 bottles. So first of all, in the first blank, you have to write down the name of any girl or any boy. For example, Ashwa. Do you have 2 bottles? Ashba, do you have 2 bottles? Yes, I have. What will be the reply? Yes, I have. It will be bottles. B-O-T-T-L-E-S. Ashba, do you have 2 bottles? Yes, I have. Number 5. Nasra, do you ride bicycle? Nasra, do you ride bicycle? And what would be the reply? Yes, I do. Or you can also write sentences of your own choice. These are just examples. You have to do conversation with your siblings or with your friends. You have to do this conversation because if we need anything from someone else, then we have to ask like that. Amna, do you have a pen? Hey, do you have a marker? Do you have a football? Do you have a newspaper? Do you have 2 bottles? Do you have a red color? Any question. So we have to ask the question in this way. And if somebody is asking from us, then how will we reply? We will say, yes, I have. Yes, I have. So this is your conversation exercise. You read this exercise. This is on page number 25. Note down your homework. Do the practice of exercise B orally and complete exercise B of conversation on page number 25. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.